Here's my new carpet laid out. I've got the old piece laying on top of it, and this will be used as my template. So what I'm going to use: cut resistant gloves, knee pads, nice new sharp blade, and my plan is to just cut it a little bit bigger, maybe about here, extra inch or two. This area is the hatch. I'm going to leave that for now, and once it's in the boat, I'll cut that out last. I've got a lot of extra at the back, which is a good thing, because I might build a little removable casting deck on the bow and use that piece for that. So I'll show you after I get it cut out how it looks.